Sama ko ngayon si Father Robert Reyes, sikat bilang the running priest, pero kilala ko bilang parish priest ng UP Diliman.
Long time ago, when
Grabe
you were a student, di ba? Ngayon, abogado ka na.
Di ba? Kumusta, Father Robert? Anong mensahe natin para sa mga nanonood na hindi nakadalo ngayong hapon?
Nakatutuwa dahil nandyan na yung mga bata-bata sa akin. Kasi maraming rally na ako na nadaluhan in the last 55 years. 55 since 1970.
Tama naman.
The Marcos Senior era to the Marcos Junior era, ilang years yun. Marcos Senior, nasa college ako hanggang naging pare. So 55 years.
Tama.
O kaya...
So masaya kami, bagong henerasyon na.
Oo, ano na, passing on the torch. Kasi kung hindi, parang matatapos sa atin at walang magsisimulang bago. Patay na.
Ano bang nakikita mong pupuntahan itong ating mga pagkilos na ito? Yung September 21, ngayon naman November 30.
Ngayon, people are asking me, bakit mas konti ngayon?
Mhm.
Kasi yung simbahan talagang deliberately inorganize yung mga dioceses.
Okay.
Kung titinan nyo sa Facebook ng Clergy for Good Governance, 86 dioceses nag-organize.
So may sabay-sabay ngayon?
Sabay-sabay, 86.
Tama.
Oh, hindi na nila kailangan pumunta dito. Mahal pumunta
Kasi nga,
dito.
sa lugar na lang nila.
Kaya Cavite may sarili, Bulacan may sarili. Oh. Pero ang nagpunta dito, nakakagulat, Gumaka. The
Wow.
Bishop of Gumaka came here. Bishop of Infanta, Bishop of Caloocan, Bishop of Cubao. Hindi nangyayari ito eh. Para bang noon parang pahirapan eh. Parang sila, kailangan maghintay sila ng magkaroon ng plenary council meeting ng January and July, without which they cannot make decisions. Ngayon, yung mga pari nila, kami, nasabi, gagawin namin to, gusto nyo sumama.
Okay.
Sama kami. So, ibang dynamic. Dati, naghihintay kami. Pag hindi kumilos yung bishop, kami kikilos, huwag kami magsasalita kasi mapapagalitan kami katulad ni Father Robert. Kasi ako,
Sorry ka na naman yata doon.
hindi ako naghihintay kay Cardinal Sin, kay Bishop Honesto. Kaya, what do I get?
Pero ngayon,
At kaya nga,
kumbaga hinayaan yung initiative ng bawat pare.
ang naging initiative ko, keep talking to my brother priest
Tama.
and tell them, I can do this alone and I will do it until I grow old. Now it's your turn to start doing it yourself. So, kaya down the line, the young priests are now doing it. Ang bagong dynamic, the bishops are beginning to realize, yung mga batang pare pala can initiate and we can trust them. Dati kasi, authority, you wait for us, we tell you what to say, and we tell you what to do. Hierarchical na simbahan. So, a big portion of the clergy will take that. Will follow that. Ako, I don't.
Pero ang maganda
I have
dyan,
conscience.
maganda yan, mas parang mas reflective ng actually grassroots nature ng movement, di ba?
Kaya ngayon, yung last Sunday, we had a celebration at sa shrine.
Yes.
Ang nangyari doon, we linked up with 54 radio station. Kaya we didn't organize for big numbers eh. Limited, tapos reflective, prayerful. May mga nagsalita, tapos nagdasal, tapos interspersed with singing of Manuling Francisco's Bukas Palad Choir.
Okay.
Pero naka-simulcast sa radio stations nationwide ng Catholic. Now, tuwang-tuwa sila, we're now linking up with each other. The social action centers, lahat ng diocese meron. Radio station centers, not all have, but the majority have. And then, ordinary priests through the Clergy for Governance are now linking and Zooming, regular Zoom meetings.
Okay.
Na nakakapagod kasi hindi namin henerasyon yun eh. Zoom meeting.
Mas masanay ka doon sa face-to-face na usapan.
Pero I don't have to carry the brunt of all this. Meron ng ibang...
Which is encouraging and inspiring. Totoo lang. Yeah.
Dahil kanina, naglakad, 4 na wispo. Sa likod nila, yung mga pari nila at mga parokyano. That rarely happens before.
Pero ano yung unity message, Father Robert?
Unity message is the usual except merong plus. Sabi namin, litisin, panagutin, ikulong. At huwag titigil hanggat hindi nangyayari.
So talagang hustisya.
Oo.
Kailangan merong
Kasi noon pag napagod, wala tayong magagawa. Yun na. Desperation, frustration will start kicking in.
Tama.
Now, no. The nature of the human nature is easy to give up pag napagod. We're not only fighting oligarchs and corruption. we're fighting a whole system that has grown so strong and ingrained from the Spanish era. The Principalia, the Ilustrados morph into the dynasties which control everything in the
Up to
country.
now.
Up to now.
And actually, deliberately keep some of their areas na kung saan sila namumuno poor and underdeveloped.
Kaya may ginagamit na akong bagong term eh. Labanan natin hindi lang dynasties, kundi ang dinastiyahan. Dinastiyahan. The dynasties conspiring, collaborating, and colluding all the time against us.
Pero ito, kailangan kong tanong dahil medyo related. May panawagan bang resign dito sa...
Wala. Malinaw na wala.
Tama. Pananagutan, di ba?
Oo, tapos ang maganda kay Bongbong, pinipitik-pitik ko na. Sabi ko, alam mo Bongbong, kung hindi ngayon, may panahon ka pa, pag natapos ka, napakagandang gesture, isolin mo lahat-lahat. Hindi mo naman kailangan niya, mamamatay ka. Katulad ni Tito Johnny Enrile mo. Ang dami niyang iniwan ng bilyong-bilyong ninakaw niya. Where will it go? He has to answer to St. Peter in the afterlife. And St. Peter will say, nagawa mo to kasi you created a system of impunity. Kaya you died almost 102 years old. Pero you will spend 1,000 times more of that in purgatory if not in hell. Ang point, kaya tayo ganito eh. Yung dapat gamitin sa taong bayan, nasa mga kondo, nasa mga maleta. Hindi nilalagay sa bangko eh kasi may paper trail, di ba? Kaya pala bumibili ng mga kondo, ang laman ng kondo hindi tao, maleta.
Maleta ng pera. Yun yung kadakarisma yan.
So, and then I keep repeating the message that I started saying. Cardinals, bishops, brother priests, cut ties with the dynasties. Di ba? Mahirap yun, pero hindi imposible.
Tsaka ngayon, the opportunity para itulak yung anti-dynasty. Ayan yung ngayon.
Pero sabi ni Pope Francis which I keep repeating also, very prophetic but very difficult. I want a poor church for the poor. The church to be able to minister to the poor has to experience poverty. If you cut your ties with the dynasties, you don't have the convenience of going to Europe. I don't have a plane fare. I don't have pocket money. Pwede bang konti lang dyan? Wala na. Don't go to Europe. Tutuon mo. Spend your time with the poor kasi kailangan kanila.
Nganda, Father Robert. Sige, thank you. Thank you very much.
Dito ka sa